Dear 6th standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths Term 3. Now we are going to solve exercise 1.1 from a new chapter, Fraction. Let us get into the session.
Look at this chapter 1, Fractions. Fraction is a part of a whole. The whole may be a single object or a group of objects. Fraction is a part of whole, may be a single object. That means, for example, a cake cut into 8 pieces, that is a fraction. Example for single object. And a group of object means chocolates, a number of chocolates, that is a group of object. And then equivalent fraction are got by multiplying the numerator and denominator of a given fraction by the same number. Equivalent fraction are got by multiplying the numerator and denominator of a given fraction by the same number. For example, 1 by 2 is a given fraction. Find out equivalent fraction for that means multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number. First, multiply by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and then 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So, 3 by 6. These are the equivalent fractions. Next, unlike fractions can be added or subtracted by converting them into like fraction. Unlike fractions can be added or subtracted by converting them into like fraction. Mixed fraction is the sum of a whole number and a proper fraction. Example, 3 1 by 2, that is the mixed fraction, sum of a whole number and a proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is less than the denominator, that is proper fraction. So, 3 1 by 2, that is a mixed fraction. Now, let me see the sums, exercise sums. In exercise 1.1, first question, fill in the blanks. 7 3 by 4 plus 6 1 by 2 is equal to dash. Listen, these are in mixed fraction. No, first change into improper fraction. How will you change? There is one procedure now. 7 4s are multiply these two numbers and add with these numbers. So, 7 4s are 28, 7 3 by 4 plus 6 1 by 2. 7 4s are 28 plus 3 31 by 4 plus 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13. Write the divisor. Now, take the LCM for 4 and 2 means we get 4. So, 31 write that as it is, and then here 2 we multiply 2 means we get the 4 LCM. So, same number we have to multiply numerator also. So, plus 13 2s are 26. So, what is the 31 plus 26 means 57 by 4. Divide 57 by 4 means 1, 4 is 4, balance 1, bring down 7, 17, 4 4s are 16, balance 1. So, how will you write that in mixed fraction? Quotient, remainder by divisor. So, 14 1 by 4 is the answer. 14 1 by 4. Next one, the sum of a whole number and a proper fraction is called. Sum of a whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Next one, 5 1 by 3, 5 1 by 3 minus 3 1 by 2. So, first change into improper, that is the procedure, no? So, 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 3 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 by 2. Take LCM for 3 and 2 means we get 6. So, 3 2s are 6, here also multiply with 2. Here 3 2 3s are 6, so multiply with 3. 16 2s are 32 minus 7 3s are 21. 32 minus 21, 11 by 6. So, 11 divided by 6 one time, remainder 5. So, write in proper fraction, that is quotient remainder 5 divided by divisor 6. So, 1 5 by 6 is the answer. Next one, 8 divided by 1 by 2, 8 divided by 1 by 2. Listen, fraction in division means write down the first number as it is and change into multiplication. I change into multiplication. One condition is there, that is take reciprocal for the next number. Reciprocal means 1 by 2, that is reciprocal of 1 by 2 means 2, 2 by 1. So, 2 by 1, write down 2 by 1 2, 8 2s are 16 is the answer here. Next, the number which has its own reciprocal. Listen, 1. What is the reciprocal of 1? 1 by 1, that is also 1. So, which number which has its own reciprocal means that is 1. That is the answer. Second sum, say true or false. 3 1 by 2 can be written as 3 plus 1 by 2. It is true. 3 and half, right? 3 and half. So, it can be written as 3 plus 1 by 2. That is true statement. Next one, the sum of any two proper fraction is always an improper fraction. Is it true? Sum of addition of two proper fraction. Take any two proper fraction, 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4 equal to 3 by 4. That is also proper fraction. So, always an improper fraction is not true, that is false. Proper fraction means the numerator is less than the denominator, right? Next one, the mixed fraction of 13 by 4. Mixed fraction of 13 by 4. So, divide 13 by 4 means 3 4s are 12, balance 1. How will you write that? Quotient remainder by divisor. So, 3 1 by 4 they given. So, that is true. Next, the reciprocal of an improper fraction is always an proper fraction. Yes, reciprocal of improper fraction, take any improper fraction, that is also improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So, 13 by 4 means what is the reciprocal? 4 by 13. So, that is a proper fraction. So, that is also true statement. Next one, 3 1 by 4 into 3 1 by 4 equal to 9 1 by 16. 3 1 by 4 into 3 1 by 4. So change into improper first. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13 by 4 into 13 by 4. Denominators are equal, there is no cancellation. So multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So we get 169 by 16. So divide 169 by 16, that is 10 times 160, remainder 9. So how will you write that? Quotient remainder by divisor, 10 9 by 16, but they given 9 1 by 16, so that is also false. That is the answer. Third sum, answer the following. First subdivision, find the sum of 1 by 7 and 3 by 9. So solution, 1 by 7, sum of, so put the addition symbol, 3 by 9. Now take LCM for 7 and 9. Three threes are 9 against third table and 7 table. So LCM equal to 3 threes are 9, 9 sevens are 63. So next step, 1 by 7. What number we have to multiply with 7 means we get 63, that is 9. Here also multiply with 9, and here 7 9s are 63, here also multiply with 7. So 1 9 9 by 63 plus 3 7s are 21 by 63, we get 30. 9 plus 20, 21 equal to 30 by 63, because denominators are equal, so put in common. And then we have to cancel this number, simplify this number. Divide by same number means both the numbers are divisible by 3. So 3 10s are 30 and 21 3s are 63. So answer 10 by 21. That is the answer. Next subdivision, what is the total of 3 1 by 3 and 4 1 by 6? Total or sum, anything, that is addition. So 3 1 by 3 addition, so plus 4 1 by 6. Now these are in mixed fractions, change into improper. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10 by 3 plus 4 6 are 24 plus 1, 25 by 6. Now take LCM for that, 3 and 6. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6. So LCM equal to 6, 3 2s are 6. So multiply with 2 means we get the LCM here into 1. So 10 2s are 20 divided by 6 plus 25 by 6. Now the denominators are same. So 20 plus 25, that is equal to 45 by 6. 45 by 6. First cancel these numbers by third table. 1 3 is 3, balance 1, it becomes 15. So 5 3s are 15. So 15 3s are 45. Here 2 3s are 6. So 15 by 2. Now we have to give the answer in mixed fraction. So 15 divided by 2, 7 2s are 14, remainder 1. So how will you write that? Quotient remainder by divisor. So answer 7 1 by 2 is the answer. Next subdivision. Simplify 1 3 by 5 plus 5 4 by 7. Solution 1 3 by 5 plus 5 4 by 7. Change into improper fraction first. 1 5 is 5 plus 3 8. 8 by 5 plus 7 5s are 35 plus 4 39 divided by 7. Now take LCM for 5 and 7 means we get, that is both are in prime numbers. So 5 7s are 35. That is the LCM equal to 5 7s are 35. So multiply with 7 means we get 35. So same number we have to multiply with numerator, and 5 here, here also multiply with 5. 8 7s are 56 divided by 35 plus 39 5s are 39 5s are 5 9s are 45, carry over 4, 3 5s are 15 plus 4 19. So 195 divided by 35. Now numerators are same, 35, add the numbers 56 plus 195, 56 plus 195, 251, that is 251 by 35. Now divided by 251 divided by 35. 7 35s are 245. So remainder 6. So answer, how will you write that? Quotient remainder by divisor. 7 6 by 35 is the answer here. Third sum, fourth subdivision. Find the difference between 8 by 9 and 2 by 7. Difference between means difference, that is subtraction. So 8 by 9 minus 2 by 7. First procedure, take LCM for 9 and 7. We get 63. We already know that. So LCM equal to 63. Multiply, here 7 means we get a 63. Same number we have to multiply with numerator also. Here multiply with 9. 7 6 are 7 8s are 56 divided by 63 minus 2 9s are 18 divided by 63. Now denominators same. So 56 minus 18. 56 minus 18 means we get a 38 by 63. That is the answer. 38 by 63. Fifth subdivision, subtract 1 3 by 5 and 2 1 by 3. 1 3 by 5 and 2 1 by 3. First change into improper. So 1 5s of 5 plus 3 8 by 5 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 by 3. Take LCM for that. 5 and 3. LCM equal to 3 5s are 15. Now multiply with 3 means we get the 15 LCM. So same number we have to multiply with numerator also. Here 5 and multiply with numerator also. So now 8 3s are 24 by 15 minus 7 5s are 35 divided by 15. Now 24 minus 35 whole divided by 15 because denominators are same. So 24 minus 35, that is 11 by 15. Minus 11. So answer minus 11 by 15. That is the answer. Sixth subdivision, simplify. 7 2 by 7 minus 3 4 by 21. 7 2 by 7 minus 3 4 by 21. Change into improper. 7 7s of 49 plus 2 51 by 7 minus 3 21s are 63 plus 4 67 divided by 21. Now take LCM for that. 7 and 21 means we get 21. Seven 3s are 21. Here also multiply by 3 means we get 3 1 is 3, 3 5s are 15. So 153 minus 67 because here 1 multiply with 1 now. So 153 minus 67, 153 minus 67, 13 minus 7 6, here 14, 14 minus 6 8. So 86 by 21. Now we have to give the answer in mixed fraction. So 86 divided by 21. How many times? 4 times. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 84 balance 2. So answer quotient 4, remainder 2 divided by divisor 21. So 4 2 by 21 is the answer here. Fourth sum, convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and vice versa. Listen, if they given mixed fraction means we have to convert into improper fraction, and vice versa means if they given improper fraction means we have to convert into mixed fraction. That is the meaning. Next one, listen, first one, 3 7 by 18. 3 7 by 18, it is in mixed fraction. How will you convert into improper? That is whole number, numerator and denominator. Multiply the whole number and denominator, whole number and denominator, plus numerator, whole divided by denominator. That is the formula. Now listen, first one 318. So whole number 3 into 18 plus numerator 7 divided by denominator. Now 3 18s are 54 plus 7 61. 61 by 18 is the answer here. Next one 99 by 7. It is an improper fraction. How will you convert that? The formula is quotient remainder by divisor. So now here what is the quotient? That is divided by 99 divided by 7. How many times? 14 sevens are 98, balance 1. So now quotient is 14 and remainder 1 divided by divisor 7. So 14 1 by 7 is the answer here. Next one 47 by 6. It is an improper fraction. So we have to convert into mixed fraction. So first divide 47 by 6. How many times? 7 6 are 42, remainder 5. So quotient 7, remainder 5, divisor 6. So 7 5 by 6 is the answer. Next 12 1 by 9. So how will you write that? 12 9s are 12 into 9 plus 1 divided by 9. So 12 9s are how much? 108. 12 9s are 108 plus 1 109 by 9. That is the answer. Fifth sum, multiply the following. First substitution 2 by 3 into 6. Listen, 2 by 3 into 6 means 6 divided by 1. That is understood. So 6. Listen, there is cancellation, means we have to cancel these numbers. In cancellation, numerator and denominator only we have to cancel that. Otherwise, denominators with denominators or numerator with numerator is not possible. So now 3 and 2 is not possible cancellation for cancellation, and 3 and 6. Here 6 is numerator. No, because in denominator 1 is there. So 3 and 6. 3 is denominator, 6 is numerator. So we can cancel these numbers. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6. Write the remaining number. 2 by 1 2. Here also 2 by 1 2. So answer 4. Next one, 8 1 by 3 into 5. First change into improper. 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25 by 3 into 5. Listen, there is no cancellation because 25 and 5 are in the numerator and denominator 3 is there. So that is not possible, means we have to multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. There is no cancellation. So numerator with numerator, that is 25 5s are 125 divided by divided by 3. Now change into improper. 125 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. Bring down 5 means 1 3 is 3. Balance 2. So answer quotient remainder 2 divided by divisor. 41 2 by 3 is the answer here. Next one, third subdivision, 3 by 8 into 4 by 5. Listen the solution. 3 by 8 into 4 by 5. Numerator 3 and 8 is not possible to cancel, but here 4 and 8, it is in multiplication, so 4 and 8 are numerator and denominator, so we have to cancel these numbers by fourth table. 2 4s are 8, 1 4 is 4. Any other cancellation is there? No. So multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 3 1 is 3 divided by 2 5s are 10. So 3 by 10 is the answer here. Next one, 3 5 by 7 into 1 1 by 13. Listen the solution. First change into improper. So 3 7s are 21 plus 5. 21 plus 5 26 divided by 7 into 113 is 13 plus 1 14 by 13. Now the cancellation, 7 and 26 is not possible, but 7 and 14 is possible. 7 1 is 7, 7 2s are 14. Here also 13 and 26 is possible by 13th table. 1 13 is 13, 2 13s are 26. So remaining number 2 by 1 into 2 by 1. Multiply the numerator with numerator means 2 into 2 4 by 1 into 1 1. So 4 is the answer here. Sixth sum, divide the following. First subdivision, 3 by 7 divided by 4. If two fractions are in division means, first we have to convert into multiplication. How will you convert? First fraction write down as it is and put the multiply symbol and take reciprocal for that second fraction. Listen, 3 by 7, here division, I have to convert into multiplication. So put multiplication symbol. One condition is there. What is that? Take reciprocal for the second fraction. Here 4 is in fraction. How much? That is 4 divided by 1. That is understood. I already told you. And one whole number is there means multiplication and division by 1. 1 is there. So here 4 by 1 means take reciprocal for that. That is 1 by 4. Now any cancellation means cancel the numbers, otherwise multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 3 4 7 1, no cancellation is there. So multiply the numerator with numerator. 3 into 1 3 divided by 7 4s are 28. So 3 by 28 is the answer here. Second subdivision, 4 by 3 divided by 5 by 9. Listen, 4 by 3 write down as it is and put multiplication symbol. What's the condition? Take reciprocal for the second fraction. So 5 by 9 means reciprocal 9 by 5. Now here cancellation is there. 4 by 3, 4 and 3 not possible, 9 and 5 is not possible, but 3 and 9. 9 is numerator and 3 is denominator. So 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. Now multiply the numerator with numerator. 4 3s are 12 divided by 1 5 is 5. Now change into mixed fraction means 12 divided by 5, 2 5s are 10, balance 2. So quotient, remainder by divisor. So 2 by 5 is the answer. Next subdivision, 4 1 by 5 divided by 3 by 4. Listen, first change into improper fraction. 4 5s are 20 plus 1 21 divided by 5 divided by 3 4s are 12 plus 3 15 by 4. As the next step, write down the first fraction as it is and put multiply symbol and take reciprocal for the second fraction, that is 15 by 4 means 4 by 15. Any cancellation is there? Yes. Both the number 21 and 15 are cancelled by 3 tables. 7 3s are 21. Here 5 3s are 15. Now write down, multiply the numerator with numerator, that is 28. 4 7s are 28 divided by here 25. So 28 divided by 25, that is 1 time, balance 3. So what's the answer? 1, remainder 3 divided by divisor 25. 1 3 by 25 is the answer. Next one, 9 2 by 3 divided by 1 2 by 3. Convert into improper fraction. 9 3s are 27 plus 2 29 divided by 3 and divided by 1 3 is 3 plus 2 5 by 3. Now 29 by 3, write down as it is and put multiplication symbol and take reciprocal for the second fraction, that is 3 by 5. Now cancel the numbers 3 and 3 and balance 29 by 5. Now divide 29 by 5. 5 5s are 25, balance 4. So what's the answer? 5, quotient, remainder 4 divided by 5. 5 4 by 5 is the answer here. That is the answer. Seventh sum, Gauri purchased 3 1 by 2 kg of tomatoes and 3 by 4 kg of brinjal and 1 by 4 kg of onion. What is the total weight of the vegetable she bought? Listen, Gauri purchased weight of tomatoes, that is 3 1 by 2 kilogram, that is change into improper. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 by 2 kg, and then weight of brinjal, that is 3 by 4 kg, and weight of onion 1 by 4 kg. 1 4 is 4 plus 1 5 by 4 kg. Now total weight of vegetable, total weight of vegetable equal to 7 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4. Now take the LCM for this denominators 2, 4 and 4. 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, again second table. So LCM equal to 4. Now what number we have to multiply with? 2 means we get LCM 4, that is 2. Same number we have to multiply with numerator also. Here 1, here 1, because already 4 is there. So 7 2s are 14 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4. Now the denominators are same, put in common and add the numerators. 14 plus 3 plus 5, 14 plus 3 17, 17 plus 5 22, 22 by 4. Now 22 divided by 4, 5 4s are 20, balance 2. So how will you write that? Quotient 5, remainder 2 by divisor 4. Here 2 and 4 cancelled, 1 by 2. So we get 5 1 by 2 kg. That is total weight. That is the answer. Eighth sum. An oil tin contains 3 by 4 liters of oil, of which 1 by 2 liters of oil is used. How much oil is left over? Listen. Total quantity of oil. Total quantity of oil in the tin equal to 3 by 4 liters. That is how much? 3 4s are 12 plus 3 15 by 4 liters. Next, quantity of oil used. Quantity of oil used, that is equal to 1 by 2 liters. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2 liters. Now how much oil is left over? So quantity of oil left over, remaining quantity of oil we have to find out. How will you find out? We have to subtract this oil. Subtract this numbers. 3 by 4 minus 2 1 by 2. 3 by 4 is 15 by 4 minus 5 by 2. Take LCM for 4 and 2 means we get LCM 4. So LCM equal to 4. Now here denominator is 2. Change into 4 means multiply with 2. Same number we have to multiply with numerator also. So here multiply with 1. So 15 by 4 minus 5 2s are 10 by 4. Now the denominators are same. Put in common. 15 minus 10, that is 5 by 4. Now divide 5 by 4. 1 4 is 4. Balance 1. How will you write that? Quotient 1. Remainder 1 divided by divisor 4. So 1 by 4 liters of oil remaining. Quantity of oil left over, that is equal to 1 by 4 liters. That is the answer. Ninth sum. Neelavan can walk 4.5 km in 1 hour. In an hour, how much distance will he cover in 3.5 hours? So listen. Distance covered by him in 1 hour. In 1 hour he covered the distance 4.5 km. 4.5 km, that is equal to 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9 by 2 km, and therefore distance covered in 3.5 hours, that is equal to 9 by 2 into 3.5. So 9 by 2 into, this is also in improper fraction, so in mixed fraction we have to convert into improper. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 by 2. Any cancellation is there? No. So multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator, means we get 9 7s are 63 divided by 4. 63 divided by 4. How many times? 15 4s are 60. 3 is remaining. So quotient 15, remainder 3 divided by 4. 15 3 by 4 kilometer he covered in distance covered by Neelavan in 3.5 hours. That is the answer. 10th sum. Ravi bought a curtain of length 15 3 by 4 meter. If he cut the curtain into small pieces each of length 2 1 by 4 meter, then how many small curtains will he get? Listen. Total length of the curtain. Length of the curtain equal to 15 3 by 4 meter. 15 4s are 60 plus 3 63 by 4 meter. Length of one small piece. Length of one small piece of curtain. That is equal to 2 1 by 4 meter. 2 1 by 4 means 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9 by 4 meter. Now number of such pieces, that is only the question now. How many small curtains will he get? So number of such pieces means divide these two numbers, means we get the answer 63 by 4 divided by 9 by 4. Fractions are, if two fractions are in division means first we have to convert into multiplication. What is the condition? Take reciprocal for the second fraction. 9 by 4 means 4 by 9. Here 4 cancel. 4 get cancelled. What is the remaining number? 63 by 9. 63 by 9 means 7. So 7 small curtains. Therefore, Ravi will get 7 small curtains. That is the answer. Here exercise 1.1 is over. So children practice well. I will see you again in next exercise. Thank you.